My dear brothers and sisters, reflecting our readings for today, most especially the gospel that we have heard, the Lord demands a simple and yet a very realistic call for everyone. That indeed, the one who breaks and teaches others to do so will be called the least in the kingdom of heaven. But the one who obeys and teaches others to do so will be called great in the kingdom of heaven. And I would like you to notice that demand. The one who obeys and teaches others to do so. Hindi lang para ituro o sabihin ang mga nakasaad sa mabuting balita, kundi ganapin sa buhay at maging totoo ito sa ating buhay at sa bawat isa. You know, in my almost 1 year and 3 months of priestly ministry, I've been sharing this to you that it will always be a daily challenge to live and maybe be the first one to heed the message of the readings that I every day meditate and preach to you. I remember one Sunday Mass when I was still in Makati. I celebrated a Mass at SM Makati. It was second Sunday of Easter. And we know that every second Sunday of Easter is Divine Mercy Sunday. My reflection during that day was about the experience of Thomas having that moment to approach the risen Lord. And I emphasize that although the Lord rose in majesty, He was so majestic, He was so glorious, He was still approachable. He asked Thomas to come to Him. And with that, I left the people with this message. If we wish to be merciful, then learn how to be approachable. And I think that was the last Sunday Mass that I had during that day. At ang nasa isip ko, dahil huling misa na to, nasa mall ako, maggagala ako. Me time ko na ito. Start na ng day off ko ito. But after the Mass, a group of 15 young men and women came to me and asked me and told me, Father, this is a group with a special devotion to the Divine Mercy. And since this is Divine Mercy Sunday, can we ask and go to confession with you? At medyo nang himutok po ang aking sarili. Sabi ko, lalabas na ako eh. Day off ko na eh. But I think the Lord shook my head and told me, remember what you told a while ago. Wag mo lang sabihin na if you wish to be merciful, be approachable. And so be the first one to do it. I was really hesitant to say na, ay, meron pong Greenbelt Chapel, meron pong confession doon hanggang alas 8. Wag niyo na po akong intindihin dito. But to my surprise, and again with that slap on my head, I sat down and heard the confession of these 15 young men and women who attended that Mass. Mga kapatid, madali pong magsalita. Madali ang magdala ng mga salita para pag-usapan. Pero minsan, mahirap ganapin at maging totoo sa mga ito. We are saying words of hope, but sometimes we fail to materialize and even live the message of hope. As we continue our Lenten journey and our life, my dear friends, magsasabi po tayo ng mga salitang may pag-asa, pero wag tayong maging paasa. Iba ang sinasabi, iba ang ginagawa. But let us keep with the demands of the Lord, not only to teach, but also to obey, to be the first ones to do it. Not only to teach it, but to be the first ones to live with it. To be people good in sharing what the Lord, to be a people good in sharing the Lord's goodness, and to be a people happy in doing it and making it true to the lives of everyone.